Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you one new tricks of Excel. So this is the part 2 of tricks of Excel. So let's start. So first trick is to how to insert a new worksheet. So we can insert a new worksheet using these keys. Click on Shift and then F11. So I clicked it Shift and F11. So you can see sheet 2 appeared. Before it was only sheet 1. So sheet 2 appeared. Isn't this cool? Cool, right? And now I'm going to show you trick number 2. So let's go back to sheet number 1 where all I wrote these all things. So now you need to click Control G or you can click F5. F5 I'm clicking and the same is appearing. You can check in your Excel. And now you can write the cell. So in this one reference box you need to write the reference number. So like I'll take C7. So you need to write C7 and then you need to click OK or enter, and then it'll find that column, cell and row, this one. So this was the trick number 2. How did you like it? Do tell me in the comments box, and don't forget to do subscribe. And now I'm gonna show you one more trick. Trick number 3. So you need to click F12 key, in which save as dialog box will appear if you didn't save the workbook still. So click on F12 in the Excel, F12. So as you can see, it is appearing over here, and you can then save it wherever you want. So I'll save it in videos, computer language save. So it is saved over there. And now you can even save a file as the control S combination. Like if I write GG, and if I want to save, then I can do control S, so it is saved. So this was trick number 4. Now before going to trick number 5, don't make sure that you hit the like button. All right, and now I'm going to show you a trick that is related to ranges. So what is a range? A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. When you select a range, the section becomes dark with a border around it. So I'll show you how to do it. You need to click on the Excel any cell, and then you need to just, with the help of the handle, you need to just drag it in the side like this, and then a border will appear. As you can see, some green border, if you can see. And then if you want to bold it, you need to click Control Shift 7, and now see, it's bolded, as you can see. So this was trick number 5. Now let's go to the next trick. The next trick is about how to minimize and maximize the worksheet by pressing the key combination. So for minimizing the worksheet, you need to do Control and F9. Control F9 in the Excel. See, it's minimized like this. And now if you want to maximize it, you need to click Control F10. So it's maximized, as you can see. If I'll do it like this, Control F10, it's, see, did a full screen. So this was trick number 6, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Now the last trick is known as Control Z and Control Y. So Control Y is for redoing the actions and Control Z is for undoing the actions. So let's try it out. So the redo can't be possible because there is no action. So for that, first we need to undo. So you need to do Control Z, and now this was the range that I selected. This was the range, and now with Control Y we can redo this. Control Y, voila, it is redone. So, Control Y and Control Z mean some action that cannot be undone, such as clicking any command on the file tab menu. if we cannot undo an action, the undo button changes into can't undo. Some actions, such as a function in a cell, cannot be repeated. If you cannot repeat the last action, the redo button changes into can't repeat. The redo command is also used for quickly reversing the last action that you have done using the undo command. And after making modifications in a cell, we might wish to cancel the changes and retrieve the previous data. To undo the last actions performed, the undo button is used, which is present on the quick access toolbar. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. I hope you enjoyed my video. Good luck. Bye bye.